Anambra State Deputy Governor Dr. Obizi has requested the All Progressives Grand Alliance APGA Phase 2 to always prioritize the collective interest of the party over personal gains. The Deputy Governor made the call during the Obizi APGA Stakeholders Forum at Mbaukwu, Awka local government area. Government House correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo reports.
Obizi Forum is an umbrella body that unites 7 communities in Awka South, namely Nibo, Nise, Amobia, Mbaukwu, Isiagu, Umuawolo, and Ezinato. Deputy Governor Obizi, who emphasized the need for members of APGA in the area to be more united than ever, pointed out that they can only attain greater heights and achieve their collective targets, both politically and otherwise, when united. He reminded them to always be their brother's keeper, as the party's slogan implies, and appealed to aggrieved members of the forum to forgive and join hands to build Obizi APGA in the best interest of all.
Please and please, let us talk to ourselves first. And yet, so now meeting now,
Speaking earlier, the chairman of Obizi Stakeholders Forum, Chief Dominic Nwoye, thanked members of the forum for their efforts towards making things better, noting that the major purpose of the group is to support the administration of Professor Chukwuma Soludo and make APGA great. On his part, the state deputy chairman of APGA, Chief Tony Emeli-Gwele, harped on the need for the leadership of the forum to carry everybody along at all times, and while expressing hope that the forum will wax stronger, discouraged members against acts that can cause disunity and retrogression.
We move forcefully to our expectation. So I advise the Obizi people to stay together, to come together and form a formidable force. Then whatever we have decided to do or play will come to fulfillment.
During the meeting, some of the members, including Chief Ozemena Okafo and Chief Christian Ezenwoke, among others, took turns to make suggestions on how to move the forum and APGA forward. From Mbaukwu in Awka South local government area, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo, reporting for ABS News.